yan eh. Ayan,
Okay, thank you.
Make sure my name is John, so you can help, okay? Is this your first time in Savoy, sir?
Savoy, yes.
Yeah, left in the island, you can hear it. Hello there.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to go down later, just bring with you your card because you're leaving, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Here we are. The service.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Smells good.
All right, we made it to Savoy.
Hey, we're here at Savoy. Super ganda ng place here. I like this one, babe. There's a mirror. Yeah, pag open mo ng door, there's a mirror here. You can see your outfit. I like it. By the way, this is the executive suite.
Yes.
After the mirror, here is the
Bathroom.
bathroom.
There's the toilet.
Wow, square.
Yeah, that is square.
No phone. You notice, babe? No phone.
Oh, yeah, you're right. There's no phone next to this toilet.
And there's no zoom mirror also.
No zoom mirror.
Yeah, but this is cute. And here is the shower room. So they don't have bathtub, babe, even though this is their most mahal room, right?
I gotta do it.
What's that? Bath gel and shampoo and conditioner.
Look at that. It doesn't work.
Maybe it's empty, babe. I don't know. So okay.
This one works.
So we don't.
Okay.
What's this mirror?
Oh, stuff. What do they give us for stuff?
Soap.
Lotion. I
Lotion?
gotta push them. I see them. I gotta. Oh! It's shot. Wow, that was pretty cool. Ooh. It is a small bathroom, so it's hard to get video of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this
But
locked?
it's sufficient. I mean, it's a decent room. Decent bathroom.
It's not yet locked. There you go.
Okay.
So.
Alright.
So they have another door here, babe.
Oh,
for
if you want
extra.
joining rooms. Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a place to hang stuff up. We currently have our luggage in there. Looks like there's a safe, maybe? No, a scale. A scale.
So here is the living room, the living area.
Mm-hmm. Fancy
and
couch.
And small TV.
Yeah, looks like a 32-inch.
Yeah.
Is it?
Small TV. What are you doing,
It's
babe?
mounted. I just wanted to see if it's
So,
swiveled.
okay, let's
It
see
does
if
not.
it's working. It's not working, babe.
Let me see. There's like a standby button. There's 2 standby buttons, which is really odd.
I know.
This is kind of odd. Oh wait, something happened.
Victims
There we go.
at a
There's,
temporary
like,
shelter, and he promised
2
help is on the way.
standby buttons with power buttons.
Sudan's military and opposition leaders
But it
have
works.
signed a power shift.
It looks good.
Okay.
Okay, let's check out the
So
bedroom.
I like the color of the couch, light blue.
Yeah, looks
And
like there's some light switches there for.
Outside.
Oh, it's one light switch. Flip it again. Because there's lights right there. Must be a light out in the balcony.
Babe, notice this painting. I like paintings.
Yeah, I'm sure it's different in each room, but we have some
And what's
artwork.
this, babe?
Looks like there's air conditioning vents up there. Oh, that's your controls.
Set.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so we
Look
have
what we have here, babe.
stuff. We have, oh, this is nice. So we're at the restaurant downstairs.
Ah.
They
yeah.
actually have a menu for the restaurant here, which makes sense. This is the in-room dining menu, but it looks very similar to the menu at the restaurant because it is.
Yeah. Wait, babe. Did they give you the password?
The password is the username is our room number, and the password is our last name.
Oh, okay. Look, babe. I'm excited to try this.
So the noodles are extra, which of course you can try, babe. That's fine. The coffee is complimentary.
What
the
is this?
Cookies. Those are extra.
This is cookies?
This is the same coffee machine they had at Conrad in Manila.
Ah. Yeah.
I assume the water's complimentary, but you never know. And
Where's
they're calling us. Somebody is calling us. Hello? Yes? No, the room is great. Okay, thank you. Thanks, bye-bye. So, nice room. They just called to see if everything's okay, which is a nice touch. I like how they have buttons for front desk, concierge, housekeeping, and room service. That's really cool. Babe, so they have buttons here.
Wow.
You just hit one of those buttons.
That's the first time
I know,
saw
I
it.
haven't seen that at a hotel
Yeah.
before. That's a nice feature. They also have a channel
They have.
option. Ooh, you know how I like to steal pencils and pens from every hotel we go to?
I know.
So I can add one more to my collection. Those plugins and lights, that's right. Okay, so that one's the big ones for the lamp next to us. That's, I have no idea what that one does. That one's for an overhead light.
Guest service directory.
The bed. Ooh, the bed is not too firm, not too soft. That's nice.
And
There's
babe,
more vents up there for the air conditioning. Yes,
you
babe.
have remote here also for aircon.
Oh wait, there's another bathroom.
Yes, and another balcony, babe. We have 2 balcony.
Okay,
We
well,
have 2 TV.
let's check out the bathroom. It looks like they left us some cookies.
Yes, that's a complimentary here. And another
Interesting.
mirror.
And ooh, babe, you like it warm, I like it cold, so we could change the
you
temperature.
sleep there, I sleep here. Okay, and we
Oh,
have
really? Okay.
and we have bathroom. Oh, there's
so
the
here's
boat.
another. There's a safe.
And there's a mirror behind you, babe.
They have robes. You like it when they have robes?
Yes, very good.
This.
Oh, they have
They have a
laundry.
laundry. I need some laundry done. So this is This could be nice.
Same price with Estacio?
Looks kind of spendy, but we'll check that out later.
Look, you
We
have...
have to see if they know how to wash
Yeah,
whites.
you have another mirror here. So we have 2
You
mirrors,
have 2 places for you to
2
stare at yourself.
TV, 2 aircon, 2 balcony. Let's go.
Okay.
So 2 bed, 2
2 toilets.
toilets. Oh!
This one has 2 sinks.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. I gotta do it. Yeah, it works. This one works, the other one doesn't.
What is this, babe?
Oh, jeez.
Mix.
Some sort of scent thing.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a scent. Smell. They're scent sticks. Some toothpaste, toothbrushes.
Vanity, towels.
Plug in another.
So we have 2 sink here, babe. Oh, great. So we have 2 bathroom.
A very similar shower as the other one.
You
The other
tried
one
that
doesn't
thing?
have.
Maybe that's empty, babe.
This one works. Okay. I'm making a mess, but I just wanted to see if it works. Okay. Balcony.
So let's.
And then we're gonna see if the Wi-Fi works.
Yeah. You have couch there too, babe.
That's where you sleep because I get the bed.
Ah, I know. I'll see your true color now, babe. Let's see if this is automatic. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
No, babe. The only place I've seen that has automatic is
Conrad.
Tagaytay Hotel. Conrad is a button. Tagaytay Hotel is
Conrad
activated.
Ooh, we have.
Oh, it's not a walkthrough. It's a separate balcony.
Yes, it's a separate balcony.
Let's go out here, babe.
Oh, it's almost.
It's hot. Oh, hey, we do have a view. So we do have a view of the ocean, and we also have a view. Oh, that's nice. A lot of construction. Wow, we have an ocean view.
Babe, they have 2 pools. I don't know one.
Wow, they do.
And then they have
People down there. Kiddie pool. No, that little pool is like a jacuzzi, babe. Yeah. So we should do a pan here. First, we'll get the view.
Oh, so we're in the upper.
We are on the 6th floor, the top floor. And then
Wow. That balcony is still our place. But I'm going there, babe.
okay, you go do that. You got some nice little chairs here on the balcony, and the executive suite acts like 2
Hi, babe.
rooms. Hey, howdy neighbor.
We have separate balcony, so I'm kinda when I look down, babe.
Yeah, I hate heights.
It hides my.
Yeah.
I'm shaking.
I know. I'm gonna go back into. So that's everything. Before we ruin the room.
Yeah. Woo! It's ready!
Oh my God. And we can see the ocean from the hot tub. Whoa. This is the view from our own hot tub. Our own jacuzzi. Oh my God. Oh my God.